5,793 divided by 2 using partial quotient. First, we need to set up our equation with 5,793 on the inside, the 2 on the outside. Make sure you have your multiplication facts and our steps. So let's start dividing in the greatest place value. That would be the thousands place. If we have 5 babies and 2 people, everyone would only get 2 babies, because the closest we can get to 5 is 2, and we skip counted 2 times. But that 2 is worth 2,000, because we're in the thousands place. So now let's multiply. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 3 zeros gives us 4,000. When we subtract, we're left over with 1,793. Now we're ready to, so we just subtracted, so we're ready to repeat back to division. So we already used our thousands place, so now we're in the hundreds, but we do have some left over from the thousands. So we have 17 babies and 2 people. 17 divided by 2, closest I can get would be 16, so that's times 8. But that 8 is worth 800. So 800 times 2 is 1,600, because 8 times 2 is 16 plus 2 zeros. Then subtract, and we're left over with 193. Now we just subtracted, so we're ready to go on to our repeat back to division. So we've used our thousands, our hundreds, so now we're in the tens place with our leftover hundreds. So now we have 19 babies and 2 people. The closest I can get is 18. That's times 9. Let's skip counting 9 times. 90 times 2 is 180. When you subtract, you're left over with 13. We just did subtractions, now let's repeat back to division. 13 babies, 2 people. Closest we could get is skip counting 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. When we subtract, we're left over with 1. We have no more place values, so let's check. Is 1 smaller than 2? Sure is. That means it's our remainder. Our answer comes from right here. We have 2,896 with a remainder of 1.